Welcome back to the grand finale of our Shopify Video Marketing series. Today, we're unlocking the secret to success by focusing on the key performance indicators that will take your video marketing to the next level. Here are the most important key performance indicators that you should be tracking. First, conversions. They tell you if your videos are not only engaging but also driving action. Depending on your video's purpose, a conversion might mean a viewer clicks on the CTA to learn more about your product or makes a purchase through a shoppable interaction in your videos. Second, watch rate. This is the percentage of how much time viewers spend watching your video. Imagine having 50 viewers and they watch on average 60 seconds of your 3-minute video. That's a watch rate of 1/3. A high watch rate is an indicator that your video content is holding your audience's attention. Third is added time on site. Measure the average time spent by a site visitor before video content is added, and then do the same after adding video content. If you see an increase in time spent on your website, then you know that your video marketing strategies are working. And fourth, videos watched. The more videos watched, the more interested your customers are, and that's a clear indicator of video marketing success. Are you ready to revolutionize your Shopify store with Videowise? Don't miss out on the opportunity to boost your conversions, engagement, and ROI. Book a demo call with an expert on the Videowise team to get started.